Hey Doc, Russ Thornton. It's thought I'd follow up my prior tweet and go ahead and show you a quick video. I thought I'd seen you a week or two ago complaining about what appeared to be some automated tweets showing up in your stream on Twitter. So if you want to check those out or get rid of them, the best thing to do is click your picture up here at the top right. Go to Settings. Once the Settings page comes up, go over here to Apps, and there's probably a string of apps that you've given access to your Twitter account. If you see anything that looks strange, just click Revoke Access, and that should remove anything that is acting questionably within your Twitter account, and hopefully we'll clean that crap up out of your timeline. If I'm off base here, then just ignore this and keep up your great work. Enjoy your stuff. See ya.